Hi guys, today we will talk about the usage of Morgen Calendar in your daily life. Before going any further, let me explain. What is the benefit of using this calendar? Basically, this calendar will work as a reminder in your daily tasks, event, and in important work. The first thing is download this application and sign in your account. If you take a look here, I sign in my account. Now, once you've signed in your account, you will see this kind of interface. On the left side, you will see the icon of adding task events and much more. And if you take on the top, here you can see the time zone, notification icon, and more. On left, you will see 4 types of options: adding task, open invite, booking page, and it is the Morgen workflow. So here I will explain how can you add task. After explaining, you will be able to do everything else like you can do open invite and booking page. So I will click on the option task. After clicking on the option task, this page is for adding task. Now below you will see some tasks. These are already added by the Morgen, not by me. So in order to add any task by yourself, simply click on this plus icon. And here this little pop-up will be show. The first thing you will do is you will write the task name just like I will write. After writing the task name, you can add notes to your task just for explaining the task. So for now I will let it be as it is. The task list should be inbox because it's only available in my Morgen calendar, so that I will let it be as it is. Another thing is impotence. This one is the priority of your task. Now it's on normal. If I click on it, you can see 4 types of importance: low, normal, medium, and high. If I set it on high, then its importance will be higher. Estimated time will be what you want. Just like I will choose for an hour. It's the due date of my task. So I will click on it, and I will select randomly, just like I will select 23. In order to delete, click here, or click on the option Save. Now here you can see this task has been added now, and it's set on Wednesday. On that specific date, this calendar will remind me with the notification mean I need to do this task on that specific time and date. If my Gmail account will be signed in on my mobile, which I register here, then it'll also show a notification there. So using this way, you can add your task events and much more things of your daily life. So basically, this calendar is very useful, and I will recommend you to use it, and that's it.